Okay, so you filed your insurance claim from storm damage. What happens next? Essentially, you're just waiting on a phone call. You're going to get a call from an adjuster that's going to be scheduling an appointment to come out and assess the damage to your property. They're going to get on the roof, and essentially this meeting is super important because it's where the insurance company is determining if you have enough damage to warrant a complete replacement, if they're going to do repairs, or if you even have storm damage from their perspective. As soon as this happens though, as soon as you get that phone call and you get a date on the calendar, you want to contact your roofing contractor and make sure that they're going to be able to be there. Now, in all cases, your roofing contractor may not be able to make it to that appointment, but if at all possible, you want to try to ensure that they're there because let's be honest, the adjuster's out there on behalf of the insurance company. You need somebody there on behalf of you. Somebody to get up on the roof with the adjuster to point out the things that they deem to be storm damage and be your advocate on the roof to try to help get this thing paid for. But there are a few things that you can do in the interim as you're waiting on that adjuster to come out. So the first thing would be to look at the property that you have on the outside of your home. Look at your grills, your trampolines, your umbrellas on your deck, anything like that to see if there's any kind of damage that could potentially be from that storm that caused you to file the claim. Beyond that, go around the interior of your home, look at all the ceilings, upstairs, downstairs, see if there are any water spots. Take a flashlight, shine it on your ceiling because that's going to help illuminate any water spots if there are any to be there. And any of those spots that you find, be sure to point those out to your roofing contractor and to the adjuster. But, they may not pay for it. It's up to them to determine whether that damage came from the storm and if the policy is going to allow them to pay for it or not. But they can't pay for anything that you didn't show them. If they don't see it, they can't even make that consideration. Remember, it's always better to show them way more than it is to show them not enough. So again, this adjuster meeting is really important, but there are a few different types of adjusters, and depending on which adjuster you have, it could affect what that adjuster meeting is ultimately going to end up looking like. So check out this video, and that'll explain and give you a little more insight in the different types of insurance adjusters.